Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today we are making an holiday special alcoholic drink called Irish cream. So let's begin. First ingredient is dark chocolate. I'm going to chop it up. To the bowl I'm going to add the chopped chocolate. To this I'm going to add some warm cream. Next goes in instant coffee, some vanilla, condensed milk, now I'm going to whisk it well till it comes all together. It's all come together, so to this I'm going to add whiskey, give it a good mix again. So our Irish cream is ready. Let's serve it. We'll pour the Irish cream in the martini glasses. Lightly dust it with some cocoa powder just before serving. Your Irish cream is ready. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you found it.